Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will show you how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. And our journey today start from Poppies Lane 2. Okay, now we are in Poppies Lane 2. You see left side? Yeah, there is more shop are open in this area. The shop here are open because just nearby the Kuta beach, so that's why there is more shop are open in this area. And actually I already updated this area a few weeks ago, so you can find the video down this video, and then you can compare how different the situation a week ago and today. Yeah, you see at the front there is some tourists just beside the street at the front of the hotel. That is good. It looks so busy down there. Okay, in this area a few weeks ago there is still a lot of shops are closed. And also hotel right side, yeah, there is some car parking there. And also in the restaurant there's some people there. That is good. Yeah, there is a tourist walk around on the sidewalk. You see right side? Few weeks ago this shop they are still closed, but now more shops are open. More than 90% they are open in this area. And also there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That is really good, isn't it? That is good. Left side there is the entrance gate to go to the beach walk mall from the back side. Oh, you see that in the right side there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That is really good, because few weeks ago in this area still really quiet, but now there is more tourists come to this area. Yeah, this is the gate from the backside to go to the beach walk mall. It's the biggest mall in this area. Okay, now we continue driving on Poppies Lane 2. You see right side? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good. It is getting busier day by day in this area. That's really good. Also you can see at the front, yeah, there is domestic tourism walk around also on the sidewalk. Okay guys, on this video I make video around 12 minutes without skip. Just start from Poppies Lane 2 until Poppies Lane 1. So you can see how the real station at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. Is your left side? There is more shops are open. As we know together, Poppies Lane 2 is the most famous street in Bali. And also this is like very famous for all around international tourism. You see left side? Yeah, there is some tourists doing some shopping in the shop. Yeah, that's good. Also in the right side, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, finally, Poppies Lane 2, step by step, is getting better and better. And also more tourists come to Poppies Lane 2. Yeah, step by step is better and more shops are open. I'm really happy to seeing this. In Poppies Lane 2, we have two biggest hotels called Grand Barong and Bounty. You see right side? Grand Barong Hotel are open. Yeah, that's good. And also some car parking at the front Grand Barong Hotel. And also there is some tourists driving by motorbike. That's good. Yeah, there's another tourist in the restaurant, also left side. It's quite busy, isn't it? That's really good. You see also at the front right side? Yeah, there's some tourists sitting down at the front of the shop. More shops are open and more tourists we can see in Poppies Lane 2. That is good. Yeah, you see at the front left side there is Kori restaurant, also the famous restaurant in this area. Okay, now we continue driving in Poppies Lane 2. I hope you are ever been this area, so you know exactly where we are at the moment. And also, I hope this video will give you information about the update situation in Bali and also in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 today. Yeah, you see right side? That is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That is really good. It is really coming back. I mean, like Poppies Lane 2 starting getting busier and busier again day by day. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 2. Now I turn right because we will update how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1. Yeah, it's like a shortcut, the way to go to Poppies Lane 1. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they're missing Bali for sure and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Okay guys, in this area I'm gonna say like there is more motel and small hotel in this area. You see right side? There's a restaurant and some tourists right there. It is quite busy, isn't it? That's good. If I turn right there, that is the way to go to Gang Sorga and some hotel and motel down there. You see this street? It is very small street, isn't it? I'm not sure what in English called. Maybe LA or gang, I don't know, but this is a small street in between Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. Yeah, you see right side? There's hotel. Yeah, still quiet down there. I didn't see any car parking at the front of the hotel. Oh my god, you see left side at the front? There is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's good. Even this area, small street, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Actually, I make this video, I use motorbike and this road is so bumpy. Before, I just use old mobile phone without stabilizer, but now I use GoPro and it is much better quality of video. You see at the front? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around also on the sidewalk in the small street. That's really good. So I'm gonna say like this gang or this LA step by step also getting busier and maybe they are stay in this area. Okay guys, now we will update how the session at the moment in Poppies Lane 1. So I turn right and now we reach Poppies Lane 1. Yeah, that was the first tourists walk around on the sidewalk. I mean, they walk in this area today. You see the car. It's like traffic jam because this is just very small street. One way for the car and two way for motorbike. You see, right side? Yeah, there is a restaurant and some tourists down there. That's really good. Oh my god, you see right side and left side? There is more shops are open also in this area. Because few weeks ago in this area, mostly shop still closed. Yeah, you see? Right side? Some shops still closed, isn't it? Yeah, actually in the right side there is a restaurant and some tourists inside down there. But I'm so sorry, I was driving so fast. You see left side at the front? Yeah, there is some tourists staying in this hotel. That's really good. Step by step also in Poppies Lane 1 getting busier. Because we already seen some tourists in the restaurant. Also you see right side? Another restaurant? Yeah, some tourists down there. Not so busy, but there are tourists in down there. That's good. Yeah, also some tourists, they are doing some shopping. Also, they are walking around on the sidewalk. Some shops are open, but some shops still closed in this area. So I'm gonna say Poppies Lane 2 is more busier than Poppies Lane 1. And also in Poppies Lane 2 there is more shops are open compared with the Poppies Lane 1. Yeah, there's hotel at the front, right side. Oh, also some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That is really good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. So what do you think? It is quite getting busier, isn't it? That's really good. I hope this video will give you an information about the update situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. And also I hope this video will bring your back memory when you are ever been stay in this area, or maybe you ever been walk around in this area. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure, and they want to know the update station in Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.